Fun fact, I'm never going back to school. Been there, done that. You see my little 10
Because this is gonna be in the way.
Turbo manifold on.
I think
Turbo
I
on.
read that there needs to be an
Wastegate on.
extension.
Lots of problems.
Oh yeah.
Brainstorming. So the problems we're having right now is the downpipe. The intercooler piping fits, but the problem is getting the inlet pipe on for the air filter. But right now we have other problems. We can't get the subframe on, so we can get the car on the wheels and then just take it to a shop, to the shop and lift it up, put the motor mount on. Now we just gotta focus on putting on the subframe and figuring that out. We had to take all this off for the turbo to get room. What a night.
Explain the problem. No, I don't want to. The problem is fuck BigBoost.
So apparently the motor mount doesn't align with this bracket, so we're gonna try to reposition the engine and the brake into how much play we can get. Damn, look at the turbo. The downpipe looks badass. I mean, for the wastegate, it's badass though.
Several months later.
So subframe in.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Brian.
Damn, this car's about to fucking touch ground. Turbo.
And after 4 months.
After 4 months.
Those are long 4 months.
I know. And
Two more months and you would have made half a year.
should we just wait? So we gotta readjust this pipe, the water pipe. Readjust it. Motor mounts in. This one's kind of tilted. It looks kind of, but it's in.
Seems like this pipe should have came this way.
But it looks normal. The motor mount looks normal. What?
The pipe should have came this way like that.
Which one?
This way.
Well, you can still pop it on and fix it. And it does look like it's supposed to go that way.
Do it right now.
No, you'll do it later.
We're almost there. Here, let me see.
Yes. You won't be needing this no more.
Thank you.
And after 4 months, we can finally close the hood.
Finally. It went through snow, rain,
It went through snow, rain,
and now we can close.
and now we can close. Yeah, that looks pretty badass. The wastegate
Oh yeah.
with the downpipe.
The dumb thing, that shit was cool. Shut this there so we can go off the hood.
For the intercooler, that outlet. Yeah, you could turn it to point out the hood.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Well, this is part 3 update. On part 4, we will be starting the car. Part 5, hopefully dyno pulls.
You're fucking gay! Where's my hat?
Give me a kiss, Armando.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, bro, you fucking
You see this shit? You see this shit, Armando? You see this shit? Fuck your shit!
Hey!
Fuck your motor mouth. You know what?
What?
You deserve this hat.
No.
Let me see.
You threw it.
That's
I still don't know who blocked
turbo spooling. Oh. What do you think, Armando? All the power?
all of it.
Now we finally get to take advantage of that intercooler.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. We're back with the weird setup. It's not officially ready, but ready.
Dumb